Is this DJI's most important drone of 2026? DJI has confirmed that it will be releasing a brand new 360-degree drone that bridges the gap between flagship imaging and rugged multi-rotors. Rumored to be the Avata 360, this could be their most balanced upgrade yet. The standout feature is a dual 1-inch flagship imaging system. We're looking at 8K 60 frames per second HDR panoramic video and a massive 120 megapixel 360-degree photo capability. This resolution allows you to crop, reframe, or change perspectives in post-production while still maintaining a crisp 1080p output. Transmission is handled by the O4 Plus video system, potentially offering a massive 20-kilometer range under FCC standards. But for close-range work, DJI is prioritizing flight confidence. The design features an integrated propeller guard and omnidirectional obstacle sensing. There's even talk of a front-mounted laser indicator, which is crucial for the tight, complex maneuvers 360-degree drones are known for. The device will likely support two shooting modes, fully immersive 360 and a traditional single lens mode for standard aerial shots. Pricing is where it gets really disruptive. Speculation puts this base model at $489, with a complete set at around $680. If these figures are accurate, DJI is launching a high-end flagship that remains relatively affordable. This isn't just another drone. It's a major step towards cinematic quality visuals with true pilot reliability. So you amateur or professional content creators, you don't want to miss this.